Okay, last game. If I win it, if I don't, then there's going to be more of these. Let's see if we can find an opponent. Come on, potatoes. I am a potato with this with this alt, so another potato would be good. Let's see who we found. Right. Okay. 5,500. He's probably going to have some big things. Alright, and I don't even have something little to go out with. And yes, straight off the bat, he has thrown out something really big. I don't have that type of level. I'm going to have to Mephisto this situation. And you're going to be bolting the Somme. Let's see whether we can go around the side to get, yes, at least that's down. And let's rat the little guy, but the ult, his spawn is just going to kill me. Right, I think I'm going to have to dwarf this situation. Ugh, went for the wrong character. I mean, I just don't think I'm going to survive this, but we can try our best. Fireball just seems really appropriate at this moment in time, but I think that I'll lose the bar first. There's no point in trying to save something that I'm just never going to get back. Right, and I'm not entirely sure I can do anything about this situation. Well, at least if I can make you survive, I might be able to take a bar off you. Don't think you were really expecting me to do that, but that was at least satisfying. Right, got the Somme out early so he can try and deal with it if he likes, but not entirely sure what he's going to do with that. Yeah. Just totally out-leveled at the moment. I mean, anything I throw at him, he's just got so much larger stuff, but at least I got a bar off him. I suppose that's something.